Citbank Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how competitive online banking has become in 2025. Citbank offers high-yield savings accounts, low fees, and easy online management, but is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is returns. Most people get this wrong by assuming traditional banks offer the best interest rates. Citbank provides competitive APYs on savings and money market accounts, helping your money grow faster without risk. Another advantage is accessibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see the intuitive online platform and mobile app. You can manage accounts, make transfers, and track balances easily, all without visiting a branch. Citbank also offers minimal fees, no maintenance charges on qualifying accounts, and flexible account options. These features make it ideal for savers looking to maximize returns while avoiding hidden costs. However, there are cons. There are no physical branches, which may be inconvenient for those who prefer in-person banking. Some account types may require minimum deposits, and customer service is primarily online or over the phone. In conclusion, Citbank in 2025 is ideal for savers seeking high yields, low fees, and convenient online management. While branch access is limited, the competitive rates, intuitive digital tools, and transparency make it a strong option for modern banking needs.